Hola,
Hola!
and welcome to our channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today it's the 15th of October and it's Sunday and the weather is still fantastic. It must be about 28 degrees and the sky is a gorgeous blue.
So here we are at Torrevieja's iconic Park of Nations. We've been here many times before, but today there is a special food and leisure and music festival being run by Torrevieja Council, who have put in €28,000.
Wow.
That's a lot of money.
It is.
And we've got concerts and DJs. We've got Queen this afternoon, I think.
The real Queen
No.
tribute band.
And we've got children's activities. We've got vintage markets. And we've got 12 plus vintage food trucks,
Ooh.
which we saw last year, didn't we, at the skate
Yeah.
park? So, we're going to have a look around and we'll take you with us. You can see what you think.
Yeah.
Come on.
Time to get up.
Time to get up. Cock-a-doodle-doo. So we have a look at the food. Are you hungry?
This is going to make you hungry.
Oh look, here we go, the zone of food trucks. Street food market. Let's see what we've got down here. It's very busy.
What are they?
They look nice, don't they?
Yeah.
Very nice. Polo,
Pollo.
pollo, chicken, chickino.
Chicken burgers, fingers, nuggets and pops.
Yeah.
€6.
Now what have we got here? What's this one?
This is Argentinians.
Is it Argentinian steaks, burgers? 3 for $11.99, 6 for $19.
Tanya.
That truck.
1314 food truck. Crepes.
No, no, no. Busy.
Hot dogs.
Hot dog order.
How much is a hot dog?
Have a look. Price is there, look.
£6 for a classic.
Classic hot dog.
Look at them steaks.
Yeah, they look nice on here though, don't they?
much is that big one in the middle?
It's big, isn't it? How much is that piggy in the middle?
I don't think it's a piggy, is it?
Could well be a piggy.
It's steak.
Or is it a cow?
I think it's cow.
It's a cow, okay.
Feed us for a week, wouldn't it?
Aye. So going to the bar, whoops, the bar area. Plenty of seating available. It's got toilets, even got a disabled toilet there at the end.
Oh, look.
What are you doing here?
Waiting for you.
You waiting for me? We're going to have a pint.
Got my beer here.
Oh yeah, got your beer here.
My beer here.
You got a
Yeah,
beer here? That's why you couldn't hear me before. You got a beer in your ear.
Yeah.
Well, it's a busy afternoon on a Sunday. Queues at the bar.
Can I see that?
oh, what we found here? What are these? These look familiar, don't they?
They look very much like ours.
Right, here we go then. So these are what would you call these? The vintage
The
stalls.
vintage stalls.
Yeah, you seen something that you like?
Nice bag. It looks like it's been handmade.
Hello! Oh, we're getting a wave, we're getting a wave. Yeah, doing good business.
Excellent.
Yeah, good.
That's good. Look at that bag.
Oh, that's nice, isn't
Skirt
it?
bag.
Yeah.
Fancy jackets out there.
Yeah. Very, what's the word you say? Trendy?
Psychedelic.
Psychedelic? Oh, okay.
Mira la pared, me ha quitado trozos de la pared. Arranca la vez, claro, no sé qué.
Well, that's it from our little trip to the Park of Nations, or the Parque de las Naciones.
Well done.
I thought I'd do it again just to show. So yes, I think on that note it's time to wrap the video up.
Is it?
It's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
3, 2, 1. Bing!
Adios.